Let's focus on the Diamond Hand Pushup on your knees, which primarily targets the triceps while also engaging the chest and shoulders. Start by kneeling with your hands under your shoulders, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. Keep your body straight from your knees to your head, engaging your core. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your sides. Stop just before your chest touches the floor, then push yourself back up, fully extending your arms without locking your elbows. Remember to breathe out as you push up and breathe in as you lower yourself. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your back neutral to avoid strain. Aim for 10 to 12 reps, keeping the movement controlled and focused. Each rep is progress towards stronger arms. Keep pushing.